Hello everybody, here's your Core Bites number 65. So the first one says, what is the next number in the sequence? So you've got 1, 3, 9, and 27. So if you know your multiplication tables, this should already ring a bell to you because 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So logically you would say, okay, 27 times 3. And if you work that out, 27 times 3, you know that 3 times 7 is 21, regroup. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So your answer is 81 because you multiplied each of those by 3. For number 2, find the product of 8,045 and 38. So you've got a 4-digit times a 2-digit. So you're going to have to be very careful when you line them up. So we've got 8,045, and then we've got 38. So we're going to multiply. We're going to start in our ones place. So we're going to say 8 times 5 gives you 40. Then you're going to say 8 times 4 would give you 32, plus 4 would give you 36. 8 times 0 is 0, plus 3 would be 3. And then 8 times 8 is 64. So then you're going to bring a 0 down because you're done with that 8. And now we're going to start with your tens place. So we're going to go to the 3 right here. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And then 3 times 8 would give you 24. So now, very carefully, you're going to add all of those up. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 and 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Regroup. 3 and 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer for that problem, and remember, you're thinking 8,045, 38 different times. So you know it's going to be a large number. So we have 305,710. That's your answer for that. That's probably one of the largest, if not the largest, we've ever worked out together. For the next one, we've got some fractions. What would be true for this? 7/8 and 3/4. So if you cross multiply, so 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 3 is 24. So that tells you 28 is larger. So you would say 7/8 is greater than 3/4. For number 4, a pack of notebooks cost $2.35. You've got multiple pennies there, so it's cents. How much does each notebook cost? So you're going to have to divide your total price with a decimal by 3 to get your answer. So for this one, I'm going to work it out on a Post-it so we can see it a little bit better. So we have $2.37. We got to add our decimal because we're going to need our decimal later. So make sure we have our decimal. And then we're dividing it by 3. Okay? So tilt it just a little bit. All right. So you can't multiply 3 times anything to give you 2 because 2 is smaller. So we're going to go to this decimal right here. So we're going to look at 3 times 23. So we know that 3 times 7 gives us 21. And then 3 minus 1 would give you 2. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down your 7. And you already know that 3 times 9 gives you 27. 27 minus 27 is 0. So there's your answer, 79 cents. Because if you take 79 cents and multiply it by 3, you're going to get that $2.37 back. So your answer would be, for right here, it would be 79. You would write it like this, 79 cents each. Okay? And then for your last one, a triangle with one obtuse angle and two acute angles is called a what triangle? And here it kind of gives you a clue. It says and, so that means the next letter has to be a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. So let's see. Could it be an acute triangle? Well, we've got two acute angles, but we have one obtuse angle. So, no, but it could be an obtuse angle because it does have the obtuse angle there. So it would be called an obtuse triangle. So guys, double check yours and please let us know if you have any questions.